Only if I could have got my hands on them Igloo ones. I know I made a video saying all Jordan 1s dead, but these are fire. What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out, man. And in my hand, I have the Jordan 1 High OG Green Glow. These don't drop till May 4th, guys, making this an early review. Yes, sir. This Jordan 1 here is one that I've wanted for years, man. A couple of years ago, a lot of years ago, Jordan 1 did an Art Basel situation where they had the Igloo and the Rust Pink. And I went to Miami, and I still couldn't get my hands on neither pair. So Jordan 1 finally general releasing GRing that kind of same color scheme is very much appreciated here, guys, man. They're not called the Igloo, they're called the Green Glow, and you can see why once you get it in hand, man. Very, very dope sneaker, man. If you look at them Igloos right now, you see the price, man. So I'm very happy that he finally gave us these. And the quality is good, man. Hit the B-roll. Yes, sir, man. I'm so excited to get into this sneaker, man. Let's unbox it in 4K right now. Unboxing time. So even with the box, you get like that green glow with the black color. Yeah, I know my theory, man. Ever since Jordan 1 has been color blocking the box just like the sneaker doesn't do good. Again, go back to my Jordan 1's dead video. You'll get all those tips and tricks that I showed you. But I like the box, man. It reminds me of a reverse Nike SB dunk when they were doing like this aqua green, glow green situation all over the box. So I really like the box, man. It reads Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG, white, black, green glow. When you flip open the lid, you get your quality control stamp in there. It's very important with a Jordan 1. You see the quality control stamp in there. Regular white tissue paper. So let's start with the right shoe. Yes, sir. Here's a 360 view of the Jordan 1 High OG Green Glow. I usually start with the toe box. Let's just start with the back panel. Do you see the tumbleness in the Green Glow, guys? Tumbleness all the way around. When Jordan 1s was at their peak, that's what we look for, man. The tumbled leather, and this has it for sure, man. Now let's go to the toe box. All Green Glow, or aqua, or igloo, whatever color you want to call this, it's all on the toe box. A little bit of tumbleness also, but soft. See that bounce back? Soft toe box. Around the toes, you get that black leather that we seen on a million Jordan 1s. And it's not the best of leather, guys. It's not cheap, but it's not the best of leather. So that's the only gripe I have. I love the color blocking scheme, but that leather I felt like looks a little plastic to me. Get to the middle. Got that white sandwich on a black Nike swoosh. A little bit of tumbleness. Not shattered backboard, but y'all see the little rinky dinks back there. But not shattered backboard, man. Let's go to the front of the shoe. Of course, a mesh Jordan 1 tongue. We always get that. The top has that white and glow green glow look on the top, on the tab. It comes in your black shoelaces, but you get some Move to Zero box. Again, you know they got away with the sandwich bags. They said it's bad for the earth. So the Move to Zero box in that green gold colorway. And I would be doing the green glow colorway because I feel like it's too much black on the outer of the sneaker. Give it that more green glow look, even though this is one color that's kind of hard to match, guys. The inside has that green glow Nike Air logo on some more black. Your sock line is all black also, guys. I already showed y'all the back with the tumbleness all the way through. The inside looks just like the outside. It even has some tumbleness on the inside panel swoosh. So that's very dope, man. The bottom gives you that gum green glow look all the way at the bottom because, of course, all of the bottom is in that green glow colorway. That was the right. This is the left. Nothing's changed, guys. The quality is A1, man. No stitching, no glue stains. Everything looks perfect. This color is so pretty, man. But everything adds up from left to right. Nothing changes as far as the sneakers details. Yes, sir. So I got these sneakers straight off the sneakers app. They shock dropped on one of the sneaker lives, man. I actually was in Orlando at Disney, and I was walking through Madame Tussauds, but I still was kind of checking the sneaker live because I know how, like, they always drop some stuff, even though the last two was terrible. But this one, man, they dropped some heat. The red and white Jordan 1s actually came out that I really like. But by the time I got to the phone after taking pictures with one of them wax people, it was gone. But this is first prize for me. Even though it was second prize for me that day, this is first prize for me, man. I wanted these since the Igloo and Rust Pink joints dropped. And the quality does not look rinky dinky, so I really like it. It's not like, you know, when you want the Travis Scott High one, but you fall for the Palomino joints. That's a different thing. These Igloo joints have quality, man. So I think I paid I think it was like $205 or $210 with tax. I really can't remember, guys. I was on vacation. But right now on Goat and Stock X, you get this sneaker for about $230 today. Yesterday, when I was looking, they were like at $275. So you know something about this sneaker. But again, May 4th is so far away, guys. Like, wait, we got a whole month. Like, so I don't know yet, man. Before a sneaker to shock drop that early is kind of crazy to have a May 4th date. That means it's a factory somewhere with these just sitting in the air conditioned cooling. So I don't know what to tell you yet, but I can tell you I like this sneaker. Now, as far as selling out, I don't know, because I feel the same way about the sneaker that I felt about the taxis. And we seen what happened with the taxis. They still restocking. So I don't know, guys, but a unique color and definitely a nod to that Igloo colorway. So I really dig them, man. Let me know in the comment section below how y'all feel about these. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching. Everybody, get rich.